5-second rule is a simple yet powerful tool that can change your life. Have you ever had an idea, a goal, or a dream but hesitated to act on it? Maybe you wanted to wake up early, start a workout, speak up in a meeting, or take a bold step toward your future, but something held you back. That something is your mind's natural resistance to change. The good news is that you can override hesitation and take control of your life with one simple trick, the 5-second rule. This method, introduced by Mel Robbins, has transformed millions of lives worldwide. It's not just another motivational theory, it's a scientifically backed, action-oriented strategy to help you break through fear, self-doubt, and procrastination. The 5-second rule is simple: whenever you feel the instinct to take action on something important, you must physically move within 5 seconds, or your brain will kill the idea. The countdown method, 5-4-3-2-1, go, forces your mind to shift from hesitation to action. It interrupts overthinking and helps you move before fear and doubt take over. Think about it: how many times have you told yourself, "I'll start working out tomorrow, I should speak up in this meeting, but what if I sound stupid," or "I need to start my business, but maybe I'm not ready." By the time you analyze, doubt creeps in, and you do nothing. The 5-second rule is designed to stop that hesitation instantly. You need to get out of bed early. Instead of snoozing your alarm, you count 5-4-3-2-1 and immediately sit up. You want to start a conversation with someone new. Instead of overthinking, you count 5-4-3-2-1 and say hello. This simple trick rewires your brain to take action before excuses kick in. You might be wondering, does this really work, or is it just a motivational gimmick? It turns out, the 5-second rule is backed by neuroscience. It activates the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making, focus, and goal setting. When you hesitate, your brain defaults to autopilot, your comfort zone. The countdown, 5-4-3-2-1, forces your brain to switch from autopilot to intentional action by engaging the prefrontal cortex. It also stops overthinking. Overthinking leads to self-doubt and inaction. Studies show that the longer you wait to take action, the more likely you are to talk yourself out of it. The 5-second rule interrupts this loop before fear takes over. It reduces anxiety and builds confidence. By taking action quickly, you train your brain to respond with courage instead of fear. Over time, this builds mental toughness and self-confidence, two key ingredients for success. The 5-second rule isn't just about small actions, it can create massive life changes. It helps you overcome procrastination. Procrastination isn't about laziness, it's about avoiding discomfort. The 5-second rule helps you push past that discomfort and take action. You need to start working on an important task. Instead of delaying, count 5-4-3-2-1 and start immediately. It builds self-confidence. Confidence is built through small acts of courage. Every time you push yourself to take action despite fear, your confidence grows. You want to ask a question in class or a meeting but feel nervous. Count 5-4-3-2-1 and speak up before fear holds you back. It helps you develop healthy habits. Want to exercise, eat healthier, or wake up earlier? The 5-second rule helps you stop making excuses and just do it. You need to exercise but feel lazy. Count 5-4-3-2-1, put on your shoes, and go for a walk. It helps you break fear and anxiety. Fear thrives in hesitation. The longer you wait, the stronger fear becomes. The 5-second rule helps you act before fear grows. You're afraid of public speaking. Instead of avoiding it, count 5-4-3-2-1 and step on stage. It helps you achieve your dreams. Success isn't about luck, it's about consistent action. The 5-second rule helps you take those small daily actions that lead to massive success. You've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Instead of overthinking, count 5-4-3-2-1 and upload your first video. Mel Robbins developed the 5-second rule when she was at rock bottom, facing financial problems, job loss, and depression. She discovered that counting 5-4-3-2-1 helped her break negative habits, get out of bed, and take control of her life. Today, she is a best-selling author, speaker, and millionaire entrepreneur. There are many other success stories. Michael wanted to start a business but kept hesitating. One day, he applied the 5-second rule. Instead of waiting, he took action immediately. Within a year, his startup was earning 6 figures. Sarah struggled with social anxiety and never spoke up in class. Using the 5-second rule, she pushed herself to raise her hand. Over time, her confidence skyrocketed, and she became a public speaker. These stories prove that one simple rule can change everything. So how can you apply the 5-second rule today? First, recognize the moment of hesitation. The moment you feel hesitation before taking action, acknowledge it. Then, count 5-4-3-2-1. Counting down shifts your focus and prevents overthinking. Next, physically move. Immediately take action, stand up, start working, speak up, send the email, etc. The difference between success and failure isn't talent, intelligence, or luck, it's action. You don't need more motivation. You don't need more time. You just need 5 seconds of courage. So right now, think about something you've been putting off. Count 5-4-3-2-1, and do it. This is your moment. Your future self is waiting. Are you ready? 5-4-3-2-1, go.